I don't know why. So yeah, and then even the veggies, they can just be steamed. And then again, tempering is required. You can just put your onion, tomatoes, use a bit of oil and just steam it with a bit of water. And I don't like vegetables to be overcooked. So yeah, you've got it all. So I really think that even if you just stick to having one tablespoon of ghee every day, nothing is going to go wrong with your weight. Ayurveda puts you on a diet of 12 spoons of ghee a day, and they will promise you that you will lose weight. So they say the easiest way to lose weight is a culmination of fat and protein. Most people get it wrong. They eliminate the fat and carbs. And they'll say, oh, only protein shakes. I've never had a protein shake in my life. And please quote me on that. I've never had a protein shake in my life. So even in my fittest, I mean, right now I'm not showing my muscles. This is without protein. So, yeah, I don't understand this concept of complicating our lives. Are you becoming a bodybuilder? Then yes, you need some protein that is more than required for your body. The amount of protein is equivalent to your weight in kilos. 1 gram per kilo, or maybe even little lesser. We just put like a ballpark figure of 1 gram per kilo. So you get that in your food if it's a proper balanced diet. Have I answered your question?
Mike.
See, I would go up to eating eating 4 times. I don't understand the concept of small meals, sir. It's a new fad that has started. So how our grandparents ate, they woke up in the morning, had a breakfast, they had their tea, then they would have some fruit maybe in the afternoon or before their food. Then they would have a big lunch. And then they would have their tea in the evening, which is what I do. And if I start very early, like if you have an early start, then you would require that bit of eating, you know, in the early evening. Otherwise, you eat dinner at 7:30. I eat my dinner with my son at 7:30. And I sleep by 11:30, max. So that's that. So that's my meal. I don't eat after 8 o'clock. I prefer not to eat after 8 o'clock.
Very good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Greetings from Mangalore. I too am from Mangalore. You just said about homemade mama's tea. Is that homemade tea? You just spoke in the
Homemade ghee.
tea.
Ghee.
No, tea you said? No, ghee?
Tea, no ghee.
Oh, I thought you said tea, so I wanted
no.
the recipe.
I said ghee.
Thank you so much.
Take.
Hi, Shilpa. I am
Hi.
Chetan from Hindustan Times. So, how closely and how well is Mr. Raj Kundra following your suggestions on diet?
He's the only man I can't convert. So basically, the whole world is going to follow the great Indian diet, but my husband. But you know, in all honesty, I have to say, he used to be overweight. He was 105 kilos. So all the pictures that you get to see of Raj Kundra now are when he's 89 kilos, which is nearly, 25 kilos down. So I made him chase me so hard that he lost weight. Yeah, so I just think that it has to come from within. So as a wife, I try not to, it can be a little preachy, you know. And sometimes we as wives are always taken for granted. Not sometime, every time. All the women here will agree. So he has his phases where he goes into extreme being careful. Okay, Shilpa, now you have to take care of my diet. So I'll send it to him and then he's like, okay, now I want to eat butter chicken. So I'm like, okay, you'll get the butter chicken. So it's, see, your life is in your hand, your health is in your hand. How you want to lead it is your choice. My duty is to tell you that this is how easy it is. The choice is left up to you.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so last question. We'll just wrap it up with that
Good
one last
afternoon,
question.
ma'am. I'm your big fan and I followed the Big Brother UK show of yours. And you, under one roof, cooked diverse cultures, for diverse culture celebrities, food, our Indian diet. So what was their feedback for our Indian diet?
They just ate it because I was their glorified cook in the house and they didn't have a choice, so they had to eat the food. But the chicken curry became very famous. But while you reminded me of the Big Brother house, I have to share this incident with you. We had a housemate, Dirk Benedict, and every day, he was a very famous actor. He was in the A-Team as the face. He was called the face. Every day, out of whatever ration came out, the only one thing that came for him specifically was red legumes, rajma and brown rice. So he got that as his ration. And we thought that, Big Brother's being very partial towards him, and why is that? And then one day I asked him, and every day he only made that for himself. He didn't eat anything that I cooked. And he ate that for lunch, he ate that for dinner with sea salt and pepper, and he did put some spices into it, which I had ordered from Big Brother. And after 1 week, I was like, don't you get bored of eating this? And I'm Indian and he's eating brown rice and rajma. And I asked him this, and he then told me that he suffered with 3rd stages of cancer. He had prostate cancer, and he's cured now. And he only got cured with brown rice and legumes, devoid of any sugar in his diet. And that is how powerful Indian foods are. It can actually work as medicine. That is how I started this entire conversation. So we don't value it. You can actually cure yourself of any ailment. Your body is meant to cure itself. We reduce our immunity by feeding it antibiotics. See, a cold is going to take 7 days anyways, with or without antibiotics. They say, it's going to take you a week if you don't have antibiotics, and it'll take you 7 days if you have antibiotics. So the choice is again yours. I think I've said too much.
Very much, ma'am. Thank you very much. That will be the end of the question and answer session. May I request Ms. Zahabia to please hand over a small token of our love and appreciation to Ms. Shilpa. A big round of applause, please. May I also request Ms. Zahabia to hand over a token of our appreciation to Dr. Mudit Khanna.
चलो रोल है सबका ओके शिल्पा जी आज यहाँ पे आप प्रेजेंट हैं नो टीवी के जैसे इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करने के लिए इस हॉस्पिटल में भी आप आइए बहुत सारी फिटनेस की बात क्या कुछ फील करती हैं आप क्या कहना चाहिए आज के दिन आप
मैं खुद बेस्ट डील टीवी को ओन करती हूँ और इसके बावजूद मैं आई हूँ नो टीवी डे को सपोर्ट करने के लिए, क्योंकि ये जो वोकाट ने इनिशिएटिव लिया है वेलनेस प्रमोट करने का और हेल्थ को प्रमोट करने का, मुझे लगता है बहुत ही इम्पॉर्टेंट है. और as a citizen of this country and as somebody who really values health, एक कैटलिस्ट बनना बहुत ज़रूरी था मेरे लिए. तो मैं बहुत हंसी खुशी आई हूँ ज़ाहबिया को अपना सपोर्ट दिखाने. और हाँ, मुझे लगता है कि अगर एक ऐसा दिन है जहाँ पे हम बोल रहे हैं कि नो टीवी डे, तो इसके पीछे एक बहुत बड़ा रीज़न भी है, क्योंकि बहुत सारे लोगों के पास टाइम नहीं होता, लेकिन टीवी देखने के लिए बहुत सारा टाइम होता है. और I think sometimes it's nice to just be introspective, to just take some time out, just to be connected with nature. और सबसे ज़्यादा तो जो खाते वक्त टीवी देखते हैं वो सबसे बुरी बात है, तो मैं उसे बिल्कुल ही प्रमोट नहीं करती. और आज के दिन ही नहीं, आई जस्ट थिंक कि किसी भी दिन पे खाते वक्त टीवी नहीं देखना चाहिए और अपने बच्चे को भी नहीं दिखाइए. क्योंकि उसका जो डाइजेशन प्रोसेस है वो स्लो डाउन हो जाता है.
Okay, like you said, it's a TV day, no TV day, and we like childrens usually tend to watch Cartoon Networks
Ji.
and mostly having food.
Yes.
So have you experienced anything with Vian? Like you had to say no TV today.
We don't ever feed him food with the TV on. We do not. And he's only allowed TV on Sundays and sometimes on Saturday evenings because उसका holiday है. तो वो अभी उसको पता है कि मम्मा पापा अभी अलाउ नहीं करेंगे टीवी और किसी दिन पे because he sleeps at 8:39, you know. और हाँ.
वो जिद करता है या आप पेरेंट्स को क्या टिप देना चाहोगे? क्योंकि चिल्ड्रंस यूजुअली सुनते नहीं है. What do you do for that?
लेकिन हम पेरेंट्स हैं तो बच्चों को कुछ पता नहीं होता. जो हम लोग सिखाएंगे वही बच्चे सीखेंगे. तो अगर हम लोग बैठ के टीवी देख रहे हैं और खा रहे हैं तो उनको भी लगेगा कि ये सही चीज़ है. तो आई रियली थिंक कि पहली बात तो टिल द एज ऑफ 5 प्लीज़ डोंट शो योर किड्स एनीथिंग अग्रेसिव एंड यू नो बिकॉज दैट डेफिनेटली वर्क्स ऑन द ब्रेन. कि बच्चों को पता नहीं है टू डिवाइड यू नो हाउ टू segregate between what's right and what's wrong and what's real and what's pretend. And ये हादसा मेरे साथ भी हुआ है, you know, because वियान को Avengers बहुत पसंद थे और he was getting very aggressive. और हमने डिसाइड किया, हमारे प्रिंसिपल ने हमसे कहा कि you know it's not a very good thing to do this to a child before the age of 5 because then he understands the difference between right and wrong. So it's my advice to all those parents who don't know this. We might think अरे बच्चा है कुछ नहीं है, लेकिन हम तो अच्छे खासे ठीक ही हुए हैं अभी ना. I think we've turned out really well without too much TV in our lives, and I'm sure when you were a child, I don't think your parents also showed you that much TV. और जो कार्टून्स तब दिखाते थे टेलीविज़न पे और जो अब देखते हैं हम, बहुत ही अग्रेसिव है मुझे लगता है नेचर में, और उसे हम लोगों को इनकरेज नहीं करना चाहिए हमें हमारे बच्चों के साथ, क्योंकि उनको बेटर पता नहीं है.
Lots of activities are going around for No TV Day. Many children are participating in that. Will we see Vian participating in any of the activities these 2 days?
No. Vian is very busy with his social life, with his birthday parties. और हाँ नहीं.
शिल्पा जी ये जानना चाहिए कि जैसे आपने बताया कि भाई हम इंडियंस को हर चीज में वेस्टर्न लोगों में की आईने से देखने की आदत पड़ चुकी है, क्योंकि अपने पास इतना कुछ है. वो लोग हमको सिखाते हैं कि अरे आपके पास इतना सारा चीजें हैं, आप उनकी तरफ नहीं. क्यों ये पर्सपेक्टिव हम चेंज नहीं कर सकते, अपना माइंडसेट चेंज नहीं कर सकते?
मैंने कोशिश की है अपने बुक के थ्रू, द ग्रेट इंडियन डाइट, जो अभी लिखा है हमने, और अभी नंबर 1 पोजीशन पे है पिछले 2 हफ्तों से. तो मुझे लगता है कि लोग एक्सेप्ट कर रहे हैं, वो जानते नहीं हैं इसके बारे में.
नहीं, कोई अपने पास ब्रांड एम्बेसडर नहीं है इस चीज का ये दिखाने के लिए?
क्यों, मैं हूँ ना, द ग्रेट इंडियन.
So Shilpa, we all know that stress affects our life and affects our health. So you know you are a businesswoman right now. So how do you handle your stress life and you know balance your health?
See, it's how what your perspective is about stress. And if you stress about stress, and there are some people who stress about not having stress. अरे stress नहीं है आज. I just think that whatever life happens for a reason, and that reason is for the best. So if you know that at the back of your mind, वो मेरी ज़िंदगी का मंत्रा रहा है. तो बुरी से बुरी चीज़ हो, अच्छी से अच्छी चीज़ हो, उसको भी जाना है. और you know that's how life is going to be. So you have to just be who you are with a positive approach and with gratitude that you have good health.
Okay,
That's most
Shilpa,
important.
being an actress and businesswoman, आपको बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ता है all over. तो आप उस टाइम पे अपनी डाइट को कैसे मेंटेन रखते हैं?
देखिए, ज़िंदगी में अगर आपको कुछ भी करना हो, अगर आप सच्चे मन से करना चाहो और अगर डेडिकेशन हो, तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है जो आप अचीव नहीं कर सकते. तो आप कहीं पे भी जा रहे हैं, आप ऐसी जगह तो जा नहीं रहे हैं जहाँ पे खाना अवेलेबल नहीं होगा. चॉइसेस हैं आपके पास, तो उन चॉइसेस में आप क्या चूज़ करते हैं वो आप पर निर्भर है. तो आई जस्ट थिंक यू हैव टू हैव द सेंसिबिलिटीज टू नो व्हाट टू चूज़, और उसके लिए अगर आपको नॉलेज चाहिए तो प्लीज़ बाय द ग्रेट इंडियन डाइट.
Okay.
I
So
just want to ask one
आप
question with
क्या
Zabian.
कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आज यहाँ पे शिल्पा जी आप यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं और कितना सपोर्ट करती हैं आपकी और टीवी जैसे इनिशिएटिव को क्या कहना चाहेंगे
तो आई थिंक वोकाड हॉस्पिटल इसीलिए हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स के साथ पार्टनर किया है नो टीवी डे के लिए। हालांकि हम अस्पताल है, हम पेशेंट्स पे थ्राइव करते हैं, लेकिन हम ये नहीं चाहते कि पेशेंट्स बीमार पड़े। So our objective is that life wins. You should be healthy, and I think the ethos of really Shilpa's book as well as of our hospital is to really simplify things. You know, I think keep it simple. I think we have to go back to doing basic things to, you know, just carve out time for yourself. Often now, वक्त नहीं रहता है हमारे खुद के लिए. We're more busy about other things, other people, or even our own aspirations sometimes. So I think the purpose is that we should all remember life wins, and for life to win, for your own life or for the lives of others that we try to save every single day, gotta keep things simple and really not forget the basics that.
शिल्पा जी एक जानना चाहिए, कल यूसुफ साहब को, दिलीप साहब को पद्म भूषण दिया जाने वाला है और इसके बारे में आप कहें।
क्योंकि आज तो टीवी डे है तो मैंने टीवी देखा।
no TV day.
नो टीवी डे।
नहीं पर ये बहुत बड़ा मौका है उनके लिए, और राजनाथ शाह जो अपने मिनिस्टर हैं,
मैं कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट करती हूँ मैं उनको, लेकिन आज का जो दिन है वो किसी खास वजह से है तो हम उस पर ज़रा कॉन्सेंट्रेट करें। ही इज़ अ लेजेंड एंड जितना भी वो अर्न कर रहे हैं इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्कोलेट्स वो कम है।
Okay. So Shilpa, Pariniti has done.
Is she involved in No TV Day?
No, fitness. It's regarding fitness. It's regarding fitness.
Reduced her
I am very happy for her.
How do you feel that people are getting, the actresses are getting into fitness and all that?
Now though everybody is fit. If you see, when I joined the industry, it was rare to see actresses who were, into working out. They were either they had a great body, and at that time, so they wanted, अरे यार थोड़ी सी हरी भरी होनी चाहिए. ठीक है, ऐसे सूख के तुम लोग टूथपिक जैसे लग रहे हो. So I've had producers who have wanted me to put on weight. But I think now today we've reached a time that people are aware of how to be fit, and there's so many ways you can be fit. So I think most importantly to bring awareness to the fact that whether you have time or not to do any kind of fitness regime, you can actually improve your health with a good diet. That is most important for people to understand. Yeah.
Guys, last question, please. Yeah, your book says breaking the fat Indian myth. So you want to elaborate on it and
Busting the fat myth. Yeah, the busting the fat myth. It means, see, some people think that we are fat and it's very difficult to lose this weight. And there's some people who have the myth about Indian food being fattening. So I've kind of tried to bust and kind of try to make it very simple for people to understand in simple language that it is very easy, and the first preconceived notion about Indian food being fattening is wrong. So we can actually use the spices to our benefit to lose weight, and how valuable coconut oil is and how valuable ghee is in Indian food and for people. I feel this generation has forgotten about the uses and the value of those properties.
And your upcoming project.
I'll tell you in my next press conference.
Okay, so when is the next press conference?
Arey yaar.